All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning. We're once again live. Day two live trading. We back on the NASDAQ. Still got my chart marked up from yesterday's live. And I see right here this yellow line got broken through like I predicted it to. Now we got a price melt. And it's currently testing off of a level of support. We may be able to get in on some buys right here, depending on what it do at this level. Let me delete this. We're currently in a downtrend still. Change this to a different color. Change that to a different color. I don't really like that. Fucking messing with my eyes. Just delete it. Currently, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame on the NASDAQ. Get up out of there. Price just gave us a major reject on this line here, this trend line. This is what this will be called, a trend line, because the trend it's a downtrend. So this candle right here failed to break above this these candle structures right here. So that's what made it a valid downtrend. Now had this candle right here broken higher than these candles, it would have created a higher high. Instead, it created a lower high. So let me see how I'm gonna mark that up and get out of this full screen. Lower high. This area right here would be considered a lower low. So this would be considered a lower high compared to here because it never broke. It never broke above these levels up here. Um, then price, you know, dropped down below this level right here, which created a lower low. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. Price right now is failing to make another lower low. So this will be considered an equal low because it's equal on the same level as here. It never broke. It just retested this level of support. You want to look at a level of support as a floor, or the ground, or the bottom. Basically, it's just a level that price has came down to and tested multiple times, but failed to like go lower than that level. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Right here, what this yellow line is, you would call that equal highs because price has came up to test this level multiple times, but could not break through. As you can see, price ran up to this level, boom, and it hit. It's also, you could also call it a resistance level or the ceiling, like this, like the roof of your house. Like, price could not break through the roof of the house or the ceiling. Every time it came up to this area, it just, stopped and reversed. Hit the floor, went back up, hit the floor, went back up, hit the floor, went back to the ceiling, hit the floor, went back to the ceiling. Even with this candle here, price wanted to break through. It actually broke through, but the candles couldn't close. This line right here will be considered a wick. This is the body of a candle, the area that's filled in between the lines, aka our wicks. So right now we don't know exactly what price gonna do, so I'm not gonna enter right now. And this is the hour chart, which means each candle is an hour's worth of data in one candle. This is a 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle. All these are 1 hour candles. This is a strong, very, very strong momentum candle. Like, it's a very long candle, which also indicates that news hit, some type of news hit. Whatever worldly news happened today caused the market to, uh, melt. So currently we have the NASDAQ is down from here to here, roughly about $400. The NASDAQ price itself is down $400. Delete. I'm gonna start deleting some of this stuff. I don't really like when my charts got all this stuff on it. It get confusing at times. We can delete this because price has broken through. Price broke through this level, so we can delete that. We don't need it. Usually when price um, goes down to test the level of support and it creates an equal low, normally price likes to reverse back up. Given that this was a previous low that market tested a couple times right here, and a couple times right here. Price could also do this right here, come here, and then come back and break through. So you just got to play it as it goes, and you can't just um, guess. You just have to go with the flow. You have to react to the market. Right now, like I said, we're on the hour chart. If I drop down to a lower time frame, like a 30-minute chart, this hour candle will be broken down into two candles, because 2 30 minutes adds up into an hour candle. So for an example, 30-minute chart. So this is the 7:30 to 8 a.m. candle. This is the 7:30 to 8 a.m. candle, and this is the 7 o'clock to 7:30 candle. See the difference in the candle sizes? That's what lets you know something major has happened. Then if you go down to the 15-minute chart, that's 4 15-minute candles, which makes up a 1 hour candle. You know, I can go on and on about candles, but you know, I'm only gonna do that in the Discord channel. For YouTube purposes, I'm strictly just trading. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and give y'all a whole lesson on candlesticks on the YouTube. Like, you got to get with me in my Discord. On my webinars, when I have webinars, I have segments where I just talk about stuff like that. But currently, I'm looking at structure right here. Delete that. I don't need it. And on this 15-minute chart, this green candle could come back to test this area, because this was a lower low that market broke through. And the market loves to break structure and retest that current previous structure. So this green candle could come up to here and give us a entry to trade it back down. Go down to the 5-minute chart just to see what's going on. Yeah, so as you can see right here, make it bigger. Once price hit this area down here, that area of support, it pulled back, which created those wicks. Green candle right here lets you know market is going up. Red means down, green means up. So market might want to come back to retest this area right here, but we don't know. We don't know yet. This is the last 5-minute candle in this hour. This 7 o'clock hour. Market opens up at 8:30. News normally hits at 7:30. That's probably why we saw this big meltdown. You know, and I'm gonna stay kind of vague on what I talk about, because you know, I want to leave that type of value to my members in my Discord community. It'd be unfair for me to just teach everything on YouTube when I got a Discord. That's what Discord is for. And guys, I'm not selling anything in my Discord channel. It's completely free. You know, it's completely free. So I suggest you go ahead and join if you are interested in learning, because it's gonna get to a point to where I'm gonna start charging, but it's no time soon. So I'm trying to, you know, give y'all the opportunity to hop in while it is free. You know, and that's just business. But right now, um, we're gonna be free. So right now, we just waiting, man. We just waiting to see what the market gonna do. And like I said, I don't like to just sit on the lower time frame candles. Like I had to go to the higher time frame to see what the market is doing. Because the higher time frame candles in the direction are stronger than the lower time frames. I only really drop down to my 5 minute chart and my 1 minute chart to get an entry because I'm a day trader and I don't sit and hold for multiple hours and multiple days. I like yesterday I made $1,000 in 5 minutes because I'm a day trader slash scalper. I'm not getting in trades and I'm not holding trades for days and weeks and months and years. No, I'm not doing that. That's another reason why I don't really fool with crypto because you have to hold it too long. Um, but that's another story. I'm the type I like to get in and get out, get my money, put my money in, take my money right back out. But I do kind of believe that price may come back to test this area right here. We're gonna use the same risk management strategies yesterday. I'm gonna re-risking um, two two contracts. Um, and every time this these numbers over here move from 25 to 50 to 50 to 75, that's $5 I'm risking. So to put that in perspective, if I got two contracts, every time this thing move up or down, it's $10. If I'm in for a buy, which I'm trying to ride price up, and say price is melting down, I would be negative right now. I will be losing right now. But if I was in the market for a sale up in this point right here, I will be winning right now. That's the beauty in day trading versus whole trading crypto or anything like that. You can trade the market both ways. You can make money both ways. You can make money on the sell side. You can make money on the buy side. But dealing with crypto or just stocks in general, where you just invest into your penny stocks or you just set some money into a stock. Anytime that market is selling, you are losing. The only way you can win or make money when you actually like invest in stocks or invest your money into crypto is when the market is actually on a bull run or the market is actually buying. But what I'm currently trading, I'm trading in the futures market. I used to trade in the forex market, but I found trading in the futures market, which is the stock market, um, a bit easier for me. And this is my Discord channel. Um, you know, this channel is new. Um, like I said, I'm not charging. Now. It's just a way for me to communicate with everybody in one setting. I can't um, single-handedly talk to people on one-on-ones. It'll take up too much of my time. So I can just, pop in here, say what I need to say, drop a Zoom, drop a YouTube live webinar, and we all just link up on that. We link up on that, and then we chop it up. Um, Other than that, let's get back to trading. We got about 28 minutes before the New York Stock Exchange open up. So I probably just wait till 8:30 before I try to take a trade. Right now, I'm just monitoring price at this level right here. Gonna see if it's gonna break through or not. If it does break, this is what I'm gonna be looking for. Break through, come back, retest, fall back down, and I'll be entering. I'll be entering from there. It's like once you really get like the gist of it, like once you start to understand the market, man, it becomes so easy. It just becomes easy and it becomes a waiting game. You know, everybody says they want to be financially free, but it's skill sets like these that enable you to be financially free. A lot of people don't want to take the time out to learn or invest in themselves. Everybody wants a quick dollar, man. But this right here, man, once you learn this, can't nobody take the knowledge away from you. Your job can fire you tomorrow. Guess what? The market can't fire you. As long as you got some money to put in there, you good. Even for the people that don't have money like that, like there's other ways to get in the market, which I'm not gonna go too much into that. Like I'm gonna leave all of that for my Discord channel. Like I'm really gonna lace them up for real. And it's my first time really trying to teach. So that's another reason why I'm offering it free for right now, because it's also a learning phase for me. You know, I'm telling you, once you learn it and you start making money off of it, man, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. You really can move how you want to move. Like you ain't in nobody lane. You ain't, you know what I'm saying, crossing nobody out. It's just you in the market. Like this is what the rich people do, wealthy people do. That's why you see people walking around with laptops all the time. There's also a game that you don't have to, sell nothing. You don't have to educate people. Once you learn it, you can just go in the corner somewhere and invest your money in the market. Nobody got to know what you're doing. You don't need people. I just chose that route because I wanted to give back to my community. This is something that I am going to teach my kids, my nieces and my nephews. You teach a man how to fish. You don't taught him how to feed himself for a whole lifetime. Oh. Let's see what he talking about. I'm gonna leave this dude group. I might have to change them webinars to Thursday. Given my work schedule, I'm off on Thursdays and Fridays, so I might have to change this to Thursdays. Thursday night. And also, man, when you invest, you got to be disciplined. Like, you got to really want, you know what I'm saying? You got to really want it. I know some people don't get up in the mornings. I'm up every day around 5:30. 5:30 a.m. I went to the gym around 6 something. Came home by 7:15. Got right on straight on the chart. When I get off the chart, I'm gonna hit the shower, take me a little nap before I have to be to work. Just like y'all, I got a full-time job too. I work evening shift, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. So light price don't want to break through this area here, man. So I'm really trying to see what the market open gonna do. That's gonna let me know the direction for the day. Cause right now with these equal lows, I really need to see what price want to do right here at this support that has been broken through and became a resistance. Because once support is broken, it becomes a resistance, which means a ceiling. Once a floor has been broken through, it becomes your ceiling. Now we at this new floor with the new floor, and this is the ceiling. Excuse me. Yesterday I made $1,177. I got about $1,800 more left to till I make it to the next stage. This account that I'm in. Not gonna really tell y'all what account it is because I'm gonna save it for the Discord. Got 10 minutes till the open. Got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to the market open. Mark this area up too. Price can come back, test that zone too and fall. I feel pretty good about the day though. My patience got better, so market finna start going crazy once I open up. Well, go down to the 5. Yeah. So right now the market made a W. We can go look at the line chart. You can see that. Market made a W. So very much may break through this area right here. If it break through, I'm hoping to come down and retest it right here. Like I said, boom. Retest. And continue up. If it retests and do that, I'm gonna get in right in here. Stop gonna be right there. Take profit gonna be right in here. And I'll be in and out again probably in 5-10 minutes. But if you need to see the W, that's the W. Now we open. See what it's gonna do. Price has broke structure right here. But I'm still not finna just get in. I do kind of expect price to fill in some of this gap though, because that's a long with no trading activity between. Yeah, so it could come up in here. It could come up in here. Get a price at a nice little premium on the sale. You can break through this area here, come back right here, and proceed to fall back because price is in the downtrend right now. So we always gonna trade with the trend. I've dealt with some people, some mentors who trade against the trend, and they lose more than they win. I be thinking about people, man. They be talking about buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Some folks just don't know what they be talking about for real, But I ain't on here to bash nobody. you know. But I will say you need a little bit more information before you just buy the dip. Low-key want to go ahead and get in on the buy, but that's off the strength that the price then came down here, went up, came back down, and now it's going back up again. So it could be giving us a retest right here of this formal broken structure. And I could get in right here, but I just rather see it break through this right here first. You know, I have to wait on my confirmations, get in a safer trade. Yeah, so I knew we would get price to gonna break through, but you never can be too sure. Like I said, we like to trade with the trend. As you can see, price broke here and made a lower low down here. I ain't trying to do that. Yeah, here we go. I shot my fields on it. Really expecting price to. And see, now I'm starting to reject the zone. It's like you never know. That's why you just don't hop in, man. You never know. If you ain't confident about the trade, don't even get in it. See how long I've been recording. 55 minutes. All right. Now, once it breaks through here, I'm gonna wait for the come back to this area. If you come back, once it break through and it come back, I'm gonna get in for about. I'm only gonna hold it to here, cause like I said, we're in the downtrend, and I would be counter trend trading at that point. The reason why I extended this zone is because it just looked better on the 30 minute. The body of the candle started at the top, and I just wanted to get that wick in on the 30-minute chart, and it just looked better to me. Yeah, price played with this zone all the way back here. If you dragging, played with it back here. So this is a good zone. This is a good zone. Just got to see what price gonna do. Down to 15. Yeah. Price could definitely be rejecting this area right here to go back and fall. This right here. If we come back to this area, I'm probably 100% sure it's gonna fall. It's gonna break through this zone. And we'll see. It's just this W right here is just making me think that price want to go up, but the trend is down, so See, look at that. Look at that candle there. Let's see what it's doing. Maybe giving us an entry. Maybe giving us an entry. Let's see. Got 3 minutes left in this candle. Now, if it's gonna pull back, I'm gonna need for it to break this and come back in this box right here that I got marked up. Now I mark it up with a different color, green. Green because I'm, I would want to buy in this area. I want to buy in this area. I have my stops right below. $102 move. Like I said, I will be entering on 2 contracts. 102 times 10 would be 1,000. Something like 1020. But like I said, I wanted to pull back a little deeper because it's retesting this form of support right now. I need for it to break on through and come on down a little more. I need to come on down a little more just so I can get a really good entry. We may not get that though. But price has broken structure. Normally when they do that, it's gonna trend in the way that it's trying to go. Let's see what it look like on the 1 minute. Yeah, but I just can't trust the 1 minute chart. Like all these candles are 60-second candles. I need something a little stronger. Yeah, it's in the sweet spot though. Giving us that 50% retrace. Very much enter right here. I just put my stops right there. But I just don't feel confident about that. Like, damn. Probably definitely going that go though, for sure. We got 1 more hour. Let's see. Yeah, see. I just can't get in on it, man, because I just know prices in a downtrend, even though it's making equal highs right here, the price is still down. You know, you just got to be smart. You got to look at it from all angles. It just seemed like it's perfect. It's a perfect lineup for it to go up, back up from right there. But the fact that it's in the downtrend, now had this same little setup be in the uptrend, I would be more confident to go and hop in for a buy. But this is Nas, the Nasdaq, aka Nas. So, and this stock normally trends up. So, you know, I low key want to get in for a buy though. Low key want to get in on a buy. But it's breaking structure up, man, and start breaking structure down. But it's like it's in this area that I know. That's the only iffy part. So just continue to be patient. If I don't take a trade today, guess what? I don't lose no money. But if I do just hop in, it's a potential to lose some money. And I don't want to get a market back what I made yesterday. Look like it's finna trend up. Like I said, fellas, ladies and gents, it's all about being patient. It's all about being patient. As you can see, it's coming back down. It look like it wanna like this is just a retest. I don't know. We'll see. No. It's called market manipulation, price manipulation. See what this next 5-minute candle do. So like I said, I would like to see it break through this zone. If I want to get in on the buy, I would like to see it break through this zone and come back and retest it. That'll give me the confidence to get in. But I wasn't too confident on this right here, on that setup. And it would have been a win if I would have got in on the buy. See what it did back here. Yeah, see, price played around this area. Yeah, that's why I didn't get in, because price definitely be playing around that line. So I'm gonna shrink my box to here. Do this. See what it do. And this all is just for mental, man. It's all for mental purposes. Mental purposes. Because truth be told, if it start, got 3 minutes in this counter. So truth be told, if it start to reject at this area right here, I'm probably gonna get in for a sale. Simply because this big candle here, man, it came and broke. It broke through this level of support, and it's looking like it's a ceiling for this price right now. This price action. Two minutes left in the candle. 2 minutes left in this hour. I went to the 2-minute chart. Get that off there. Get that off there. Yeah. Check it. Just gotta see. I'll just be extra patient. But like price is just respecting this area, right? For real. I'm gonna go on. Let me see. Still kind of in the middle of nowhere though. Like price is gonna be playing. Let me look at S&P. Yeah. Price making this thing on wedge. It's also not breaking. I don't want to break that. Market might not give us nothing clean today. I still haven't got in on a position yet, guys. Yeah, price just keep rejecting right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up in a sell. And go for this candle. I already did. All right, guys, I'm finna in on the sale. Put me in all the way down here though. Let's see how it play out. Currently down 220. 3. 280. Just gonna see, guys. Like I said, I got in because it's overall we in the downtrend. Overall, we are in the downtrend. You know, we up 420, 450. Give me the 500 and I get out. You know, if I take a loss, y'all will see it live on camera. We up 310. I said yesterday, man, Wednesdays be iffy. Wednesdays be iffy. If it give me another push to the downside, then I get out with some type of profit. 190. We up 150, 260, 250, 280, 350, 400, 450, 450, 460, Get out. I'm getting out. Price just playing around, man. I could have held it and made some more money, but I'll take it. I will take it. You know, every day, all day, I'll take it. Let's see what the total end up being. Uh, $431, $431 for the day. It wasn't $1,000 day, but hey, $431 a day, I'll take that. By the day being Wednesday, just got to be smart. You know, a win's a win, win. So that leaves me with a balance of $51,609. $51,609. And I was in that trade for, it wasn't long at all. I got in that trade at 9:11. It is now 9:17. So about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And I got out on right time. As you can see now, the market is trying to go back up. It's trying to go back up. And I just wasn't finna play around with it. So yeah. That conclude today's live trading session. 1-0 again. So they leave you with 2-0 for the week.